Hi, AllToyCollector here, and I want to show you my very first Minecraft toy I have ever bought. I have watched Stampy Longhead videos, and I really like him, so I'm excited to show you this toy today. I bought this toy at Target, and it is series number 2. It includes 6 animals. All of these Minecraft animals are from the passive mob, so they will not attack your person. There's a cow, sheep, pig, wolf, ocelot, and chicken. You can use a cow for meat and leather in the Minecraft game. And it says right here, I thought it was funny, it says the milk can be used as an antidote to poison. That's pretty funny. It says that the sheep will follow you around if you're holding some tasty meat. That's pretty cute. And it also says sheep are one of the 2 animals that do not drop meat. They provide infinite amounts of wool. So you just get wool from them. There's a delicious piggy. It says here that pigs won't move through doorways. Also, you can use pigs for a form of transportation. Do you want to ride on a pig? That sounds pretty funny. It also says that you can lead a pig around with a carrot, put a saddle on it, and ride it. Here's a wolf. It reminds me of Stampy Longhead's dogs. And I guess the reason why the wolf reminds me of Stampy Longhead's dogs is because it says right here they're not aggressive, and a lot of people refer to them as dogs. The nice thing about these wolves is that they will help defend you if any other mobs, like a hostile mob of animals, attack. The dogs will help you. Next, here's an ocelot, and it says the ocelots are shy and it will not attack you when tamed. They become like cats. They will attack chickens, but pretty slowly. It says that chickens, of course, lay eggs, and then you'll get more chickens, and chickens are immune to fall damage, which is nice. Well, now that I've read so much about all these cute Minecraft mobs, let's open up the package. There. So here again are my cute Minecraft animals. There's the cow, he's so cute, and they are built so well. They are kind of what I expected. They're big and blocky. The cow kind of reminds me of a kitchen table. 4 legs, really sturdy. Moo. I think it's great that in Minecraft you get to eat these animals, and that's what helps you survive. Here's our little woolly sheep. There's a lot of white sheep in Minecraft, but I guess there's a few pink sheep. And here's our little piggy. Wink, wink, wink. Next, here's our wolf, or our doggy. I think he's my favorite one. With these toys, this one, look. The wolf's legs do move forward and back, so you can pretend he's walking. That's the same with all of them. See, all of them, their legs go forward and back. That's really neat. Next, here's our ocelot. You know, I was really surprised that ocelots in Minecraft are passive and do not attack you, because if I saw ocelot in the wild, I'd be a little scared. And I'd also be scared if I saw a wolf. I wonder if the ocelot and the wolf ever fight. Bad wolf, bad, come on, that's not very nice. Now, here's the last little Minecraft animal, the chicken. And look at the wings. They go up and down. The legs stay together, they're stationary. I am in love with these Minecraft toys. I think they're perfect, especially if you love Minecraft. And you know what, I'm going to see if I can have all of these Minecraft animals stack on top of each other. This is good for your coordination, kids. Come on, I can do it. Ooh. Okay, there's 4 animals, just 2 more to go. Here's my ocelot. Oh, it's teetering a little bit. Oh, please stay, just have a little chicken. Woohoo! AllToyCollector did it! Yay! I stacked up all the animals! My My kids are asleep right now while I'm filming this, but when they wake up, they're going to be so happy to play with these Minecraft toys. I rate these toys a 5 out of 5. They're a lot of fun. I think that anyone that loves Minecraft would be so happy to have these. I think that they are very well built. I can't see them falling apart at all. I would definitely recommend these toys as a Christmas present. And again, I did find these toys at Target. So if you want them, look at your local Target or online. All Toy Collector fans, I was wondering, which Minecraft animal is your favorite? Do you like the cow, or the sheep, or the pig, wolf, ocelot, or chicken? I do like the wolf. My second choice would be the chicken because I think it's so cool that his wings go up and down. He's really cute. Thanks for watching, and please remember to click like and write down in the comment section who your favorite Minecraft animal is, and also write down if you would like me to film more Minecraft toys. Thank you!
Please click on any of these 4 pictures to watch another video by AllToyCollector, and also please share my videos with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!